Yo guys, so pretty much every MacBook Pro user should get this product. This product is a bridge to the future of technology. If you're a graphic artist, whether photographer, videographer, or graphic designer, this product is a need. Hey guys, AAA Pro here, excited with something I got from Amazon. So the MacBook Pro has two types of ports, 4 total USB-C ports and a headphone jack. This is a dilemma. What if you need another port, like to plug in your iPhone? I mean, I guess Apple dongles look good, but the majority of them only give one port. This is a USB-C hub. It includes all the ports necessary to work to support your girlfriend, or just your family, or look, let me just stop before I continue putting my foot in my mouth. This is a USB-C hub including HDMI, 2 USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 ports, an SD card, micro SD card, and 2 USB-A 3.1 ports. Whew, that's a mouthful. The feature is wireless. It's a dream that will become reality. That being everything wirelessly working seamlessly together with no cables, nothing, no longer remembering to have to bring a USB-C cable, a lightning cable, Apple. And that being said, but right now USB-C hubs is where it's at, especially if the color matches, because you already know us techie people are OCD with our colors matching. USB-C is the last port, but this will help transition to that last port as well. And of course, not all cameras have USB out, but they do have an SD card slot, which this hub provides. And of course, with this, you can plug in your iPhone or Android device. This is convenient because sometimes it's more convenient to transfer large amounts of files connected than by AirDrop. In conclusion, this hub really solves, this USB-C hub really solves the headache of the MacBook Pro. So I will leave it linked down in the description. It's available on Amazon. It would definitely be a benefit to anyone. Remember, this stage of technology is temporary. Wireless is the future. Get ready. For those of you that are new to this channel, this is a tech channel where I use smartphones and Mac computers to produce graphic art, including photography and video. If you're into that kind of deal, hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, the whole deal. And of course, until the next video, bada bing, bada boom.